Yo, what's up guys? It's me, Danger, today, and today I was going to do a fidget spinner video with a black fidget spinner here. Spins pretty well.
It's really mine. It's chrome steel.
And it's going to go on my tongue today and other body parts. So back up.
I thought we were just planning tongue.
Okay. So up first is tongue. I'll rate the pain on a scale of 1 to 10. So here we go. I need to get it going at 1,000 miles an hour using a pen with a grip.
Of course, everyone knows it's not really 1,000 miles an hour.
Yeah. See, some YouTubers lie.
There have been some people who told me that there was a YouTuber with a sharp fidget spinner who cut his tongue off. He was flopping on the ground like, washa, washa,
This
washa.
is cheek. They say you need stitches.
Washa, washa, washa.
Now I'm going to make it go extra, extra fast.
Oh my God, it's probably 2,000 miles an hour. Maybe an actual 1,000.
Ow. Oh yeah, that first one on a scale of 1 to 10, 2. And this, it didn't hurt at all. Okay, next body part. Finger.
That
Actually
might
broke-
hurt.
Yeah, I broke my finger too, like 2 weeks ago. No, actually 5 weeks ago.
Do it on your most sensitive finger, the index.
That hurts so much!
I know, it's the most sensitive one.
Oh my God, that hurt! I'm gonna say 9. 9. Okay, next body part.
Your wrist?
Sure.
Got a lot of nerves there.
Ooh. This is 6. Pretty soon.
Soon I'll be 60 years
That
older
kinda
and I'm
hurt.
still no fidget spinner.
Oh, there might be voices and sounds in the background.
Yeah.
Next, I'll do the shin.
Oh shit, that's like the most painful part in the body. What?
0.
Did that tickle?
I felt nothing. Nose.
Oh. A lot of nerves there.
A tickle.
What the heck?
Now, this is the most painful one.
No, don't do that. Okay? I'm gonna reveal the screen when he's about to do it. Okay, guys? Ready? Yes! Okay, there we go. What? Let me see if you chipped your tooth. Wait, what tooth did you do on? What are your two front teeth? Oh, you didn't chip it, thankfully.
Okay.
Oh, God.
Now, this is, it's not the most painful, but it's the second most painful spot on a boy. So back up.
Oh. Oh. Don't.
I'm gonna do it.
Don't. Oh, did that hurt?
No, I didn't, it didn't even go there.
Oh my God, he's gonna do it.
That hurt!
Oh my God. He just did it in his nuts.
Jesus, that hurt.
In his these nuts.
That was kind of embarrassing. So, we're next. With the ear.
Oh.
They say that ears get cut off.
Got it.
Not mine. I'm abusing myself with this.
What about your calf? Your toes.
That's probably gonna tickle.
No, you do it on your toes.
Okay, I'm taking my shoe off. It's my sock. And you get going. Faster. I think I broke it.
Broke this? Oh,
No.
I thought you broke my fidget. Okay.
Ooh, that kind of hurt.
See?
Now we'll do the last place. Where should our grand finale be?
Stomach.
The eye.
No!
I don't know what's a grand finale. Come on, wait.
You're probably gonna cry, dude. You're gonna cry
Cry.
in front of the whole world.
I'm not gonna cry in front of the whole world.
Then just do it on your stomach.
I'm gonna do it. For YouTube.
Oh
For
my
my
god.
fans.
And are you gonna make it go like 1,000 miles per hour? Oh my god, he's really gonna do it. We'll block the screen, but until you guys find I'm doing it, I'll re-reveal the screen.
Okay.
Here you go.
Ow.
Oh,
Oh, Jesus.
with just this thing.
That hurt. A lot.
Wait, let me see your eye. It really looks bigger than the other one
Oh my god.
already. A bit bigger.
That was 10. That was 10. Most pain of the day. Oh.
Should we wrap it up?
Yeah, that's all for now, guys. Be sure to like and subscribe the video.
And also try to check out for Bommy. Yo. Oh, okay. He's not feeling too good today, though. That's why his voice was like that. But yeah, he's good.
He's kind of dead.
And then Bommy is now having his own little kid.
Just be sure to like and subscribe for more fidget spinner videos. We're gonna do some Minecraft episodes soon.
Yeah, Minecraft stop motion and stuff.
And that's all for now, guys. Bye. Be sure to like
And
subscribe.
make sure to check out the Proper Dummies channel and Quibble Cop. And yeah.
That's all for now, guys. Bye. Bye-bye.
Bye.